Yes. I had one of these mental health evaluations. Although he did not participate in the competency evaluation. Yes. He spoke for 25 minutes about he disputed the charges against him. He denied having a mental illness and resented that a competency evaluation was ordered. Why would I resent that you ordered a competency evaluation? Did anybody call the Serenity House to find out if I slept there on December 31st, the night of December 30th? Did you? Well, I know you can do it. Now, there seems to be something of importance to me that's not important to you. Ouch. Well, my civil rights are being violated. Do you believe it? Do you believe these this requirement of signatures in the court rules? Yeah. I think they're a requirement of the law. The RCW requirements? Yes, they are a requirement of the law. Now, this concept of 5 days, right? The party shall exchange not later than 5 court days before the scheduled trial date. Are we scheduled to go to trial on the 18th of this month? Oh, then I'm just wanting to know what you're going to do, Sheriff. There's there's there seems to be some problem with the enforcement of the actual requirements of the law. Then there's the petitioner applicable cases. Is there any other requirements of the law that I didn't receive before you issue the dissolution of marriage? I don't remember getting a copy of the Clallam County Court Rules. Maybe it's not a requirement. And then there's the domestic relations orders, court orders concerning the financial support or the custody or residential schedule of a child, including temporary permanent parenting plan and similar documents and orders establishing or de-establishing paternity shall include the full name of the child. Exactly what were the names of the child, the children on the dissolution of marriage? Because I didn't get a copy of it. Were they the names of my 5 sons, or was Jessica's name on there? Ooh. Well, exactly what were the actual names? The date of birth of each child shall be included in court records only as authorized by General Rule 22. Child who is alleged to be a victim in a crime. The complete name of a child who is alleged to be a victim of a crime may be included in subpoenas and in jury instructions. Nothing in this rule requires the subpoena be routinely filed in the court file. This domestic relations order, are you sure that's the right names of my sons? Well, since I wasn't there and you didn't give me notice, I would think that as a father, I have an obligation to make sure you spell their names right, that you get their birth dates right, that everything that had anything to do with my 5 sons in that dissolution of marriage, where you didn't make sure that I got notice of the hearings, yeah, and you didn't make sure that I got the dissolution after you issued it, yes, I would say that all their names are misspelled. Now, is the judge going to believe me or the petitioner? Oh, what if I told you that she misspelled the names? Did you get birth certificates of my sons? I provided birth certificates and social security numbers. Did you get their actual signatures? What exactly was provided to the court that I, as the respondent, did not see that was either fraudulent, did not fit the requirements